Good morning, students. Class 8th, subject computer. In our last class, we were discuss about chapter number 3rd, working with queries, forms and report. In this chapter, in last classes, we were discuss about queries and forms. Today's class is based upon report. So what is this report and how we can create a report? What are the importance of report in a database? So here is our report. A report is an effective way to organize and summarize data for viewing or printing. Mean to say that what things are there in print form or in hard copy related to table query is known as a report. The printed form of a table and a query result is known as report. To create a report, click on Create tab, Report group and then Report option. Simply we can create using Create tab, Report group and Report tab option is there. In a report, we can see all fields along with the content of the selected table. What are the fields are there in the selected table? Same we can see in report also with content. After a report creation, we can see 4 new tabs on the ribbon. These new tabs are Design tab, then Arrange, then Format and Page Setup. Design, Arrange, Format and Page Setup. Click on the Save option to save the report. Okay, this is the way to create a report. Simply click on Create tab, Reports group and Report option, and after report creation we can see all the fields along with the content of the field related table we can see inside the report. And after that we can see 4 new tabs also. These tabs are Design, Arrange and then Format and then Page Setup. These are the 4 tabs there. Now, types of report view. When a report is generated, then we can see this report in 4 views. First view is your report view, then print preview, then layout view and after that design view. These are 4 different types of views in which a report can be displayed. So first we are going to see report view. This view is a read only mode. Means we can see the report, we cannot do any type of modification in report view. Second view is print preview. As name indicating, we can see our report before printing or we can see how it is going to print on paper. This view allow you to see how the report will look like when printed. Third one is layout view. In this view, we can edit the design on the report to some extent. We cannot do all the modification. We can do a little modification such as some text such as change the size of the various control. We can change the size of control. Contents we cannot change. Design view. This view displays only the structure of the report that can be modified and customized as per the requirement. This view does not display the underlying data but displays the expression that are used to generate the content. For example, you may find date function on the header section of the report but not the actual date what is written there. Only that customized underlying data we cannot see. We can see only the expression that are used to generate the content. Next topic is formatting a report. Like forms, we can format or change the appearance of the form by using design and format. Same here, we can change it the format of report also using design and format tab. Printing a report. For printing a report, we can use print option given inside the file tab or we can use print preview view also. Okay, without watching, if you want to take a printout, directly go on File tab and click on Print option. And if you want to do a kind of setting such as page setup, such as page orientation setting, then for that we can go inside Print Preview View option. This view display how the report will appear on a page. It also allow you to choose the page orientation, page setup. These options we can see here in Print Preview View. Next is exporting a report. Sometimes it is needed that you want to see your report in another application format. So transfer of your report from Access to other application, this is known as exporting. Okay, so exporting a report, for this purpose we have to do few steps such as click on home tab, then view, and after that there is print preview option. Okay, once again home tab, then view, and there is print preview option. Click on the data group, then more button, and after that select any application, such as suppose you want to export your report in Word, then select there Word. After that the export RTF file dialog box will appear on the screen like this. Figure number 3.22. Select the location where you want to save the report and give a valid name to the report. Okay, after that click on OK and then close the export RTF file dialog box and your work is completed. So by this way we can generate a report and we can export our report from Microsoft Access to in any other application. So here is the end of the chapter. See the notes also given. Go through the notes. Complete your notes, complete your notebook also, and these all notes you can note down. And after that at the end few assignment questions also given. On the basis of the discussed portion, easily you can complete your assignment questions. What things are given here? So here is the end of Microsoft database portion that we discuss in chapter number 3rd, specifying multiple criteria, what is criteria, how to create query in query wizard. These all things are discussed. If you want to write, then from this video also you can write, pause the video and you can note down, else you can go through the PDF also given, and from there you can write and complete your all the work. What things are written here? See, these all notes are summarized notes, concise matter, to the point matter. As you written previous notes, this chapter number 3rd notes also very important. Complete your all notes, just pause the video and from here also you can note down. See, this is related to today's class: how to format a report, how to print a report, how to export a report. And after that, here is the recap of the portion. A query is a database object that helps you to retrieve and view information from one or more database tables that meet a specific condition or criteria that is specified by you. Microsoft Access provides various types of queries such as select query, parameter query, cross-tab query, action, and SQL query. Relationship are links that associate a field in one table with the same field in another table. Access provides two ways to create a query: through the query wizard and query design. The criteria property contains the condition on the basis of which the records will be filtered in the query output. A form is a piece of paper on which a user fills the required information in the specific fields. Report is an effective way to organize and summarize the data for viewing or printing. So that's all for this session. Do these all, or in next class I will give you the solution of these questions also. Till that, do the given exercise, try to do it yourself, else wait for next class. So that's all for this session. Have a good day. Thank you.